Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off sound effects on the application of Duolingo. To know how to turn off sound effects on the application of Duolingo, you should just go to Duolingo as you see. After that, in this page, you will go down to click in this sign. Then here in this page, you will go to above to this sign. After that, in this list, you will go to click in this sign here. If the sign changed, then you can know how to turn off sound effects on the application of Duolingo. And then we click save. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time.